everybody.
Hey there.
That's Robert.
That's Julie. And this is our thing.
Yep, it's our thing.
It's our thing. So we're going to do our thing real quick in Piglet.
If you see the boys in here, Piglet and Hoss, they're in here because Hoss got fixed Monday. Wednesday. He gets fixed this Wednesday. Then they'll go back in the back with the girls, and then the girls get fixed in March.
Yep. So everybody's going to get taken care of.
These are the little demon spawn monsters.
So yeah. But anyway, say goodbye, Hoss. Not Hoss. Piglet. Goodbye, Piggy.
So anyway, the first thing we did was this is kind of backwards of how we did it. We went to Dollar Tree. We had to get some necessities, and I needed to get a couple of things because we're revamping websites, and I'm making Christmas stuff, and so it's just a bunch of little things that we needed that we couldn't find. I couldn't find in the grocery stores.
Yep. So we did a little haul.
Yeah. So what I did was I picked up some bread. Our roommates of 3, since we're our only 3, only need a little thing of bread because this lasts us 2 weeks. Believe it or not.
Yeah, we don't need a lot of bread anymore.
And I make artesian bread, and I'm going to make French bread and stuff like that. So I'm going to start making our own bread, but this is pretty good. It's almost bimbo.
I don't know. Yeah, pretty close. It's pretty close.
And their wheat bread we buy, which I just bought their wheat bread, and I got a loaf of it here. And it's really good too. It makes really good French toast.
Works pretty good. There we go. Okay, so what do you want to start with?
We just started with that.
No, I mean, here.
Okay. So, I haven't been able to find chicken broth in any of, like, Walmart, Aldi's, any place like that. Well,
chickens just haven't been producing.
Ever. Anyway, I found some chicken broth. So, I got 2 of them because some of my recipes calls for chicken broth. And if I don't make my own broth, I do like to use just regular chicken broth.
Yep.
So, for $1.25.
It's chicken broth.
It's chicken broth.
Yep, from chickens.
I haven't been able to find onion powder anywhere. Not even in the Dollar Trees around here in this area. I found it at the Dollar Tree in Grapevine. That's where we go most of the time anyway. But we went there and we found this, and I got 2 of them. You want to do something?
I'm a big animal cracker fan, and they had something different. They had chocolate animal crackers. So I got their plain animal crackers last month, and they were really, really good. So I'm hoping these are going to be just as good or better. But I'm a chocolate freak. It's the 5th food group. But chocolate animal crackers, we're going to give it a shot.
Yep. Then his sister likes hot chocolate. Well, she likes marshmallows in it too.
Christmas time marshmallows.
There's snowmen, candy canes, Christmas trees.
They're in Christmas figures. So
cute. I wished I liked marshmallows.
Yeah, I'm not a marshmallow guy.
Me neither. I could not even eat one. I'd be throwing up.
My sister, you know, hey. So we'll see if she likes them. If she gives Piglet. The boys are being boys.
So per 8 units, is that what it says? 8?
I have no idea. I don't read the backs of labels.
21 grams of sugar, then 21 added sugars. That's 42.
Is that good or bad?
That's a lot.
That's a lot of sugars. Then we got some Starlight Mints.
They're sugar-free.
Sugar-free Starlight Mints.
I have a lot of friends that I make stuff for.
So I got Starlight Mints.
And so I got Starlight Mints to go with. I'm going to make a chocolate Christmas bark. And then I got the bags at Dollar Tree to go with them also. There's 20 bags for $1.25. I was looking at them online at Amazon, And there was like only like 10 bags for $5.99. So what am I gonna do? So Robert picked out this one, and I picked out this one. Because I promised a couple of my little lady friends that I would take them bark sometime. Guess what?
Arf, arf.
I'm gonna make them bark. And I got some red kidney beans.
It's that time of year for beans and cornbread and that kind of stuff.
Brown beans and rice.
Yep, that kind of thing. So it's a stock staple.
Then I got some index cards because, I don't have, there's bowls over there, bowl covers. I make bowl covers. Well, in my bowl covers for Christmas, what I'm going to do is I am going to take, see, these are bowl covers. Your bowl fits in here, and they're reversible. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I've got a couple people I'm going to gift these to. And like these are, my sister already knows these are for her. But I'm going to put my favorite soup recipes in, on index cards. I'm going to put a little hole and I'm going to put a little ribbon on them to, that's what it does right there. It holds it like that.
To give you an idea, this is a plastic bowl, but we use glass bowls. And what you do is you put them in the microwave, cook up your oatmeal in the morning, your soup or whatever you're going to have for lunch at work, stick it in the microwave, and you put it out, and you put it in this, and you carry it to wherever you're going to eat. And a lot of times, unfortunately, I eat at my desk. But it's very good because it doesn't burn your hand. The other thing, too, is you can flop it over.
And they're machine washable.
Machine washable. Yeah, that's a big deal because what happens is a lot of times you'll spill tomato juice from spaghetti or soup or stuff like that on them. You just take these things, throw them in the washer, and boom, there you go.
So I'm going to take the index cards and put my favorite recipes with it and put a hole through them on each side and make a little, their own little caddy thing, soup caddy thing to go along with the bowl things in Christmas stuff. And, you know, he's a connoisseur of
Cookies.
anything. Cookies,
Cookies.
sweets. So, we've already dug into these.
They're evil.
But
yeah.
these are fudge-covered graham rounds. They're round.
Yep.
Then they're like the Girl Scout cookies.
Kind of like the Girl Scout cookies, but a lot
the
less.
fudge-covered peanut butter spread cookies.
We still buy Girl Scout cookies to support the Girl Scouts. I do too. You just don't know it. I do.
Fudge mint from where? Work?
Buy them from work, or I used to get them.
You don't bring them home.
I used to get them at the bowling alley, and I put them in a fridge.
You're hoarding out on me.
Yes, I am. I'm hoarding out on you.
So anyway, these fudge mint cookies are like the Girl Scout cookies.
Yep.
So I'll haul for.
What's this stuff?
That's mine.
What's
That's
that?
Mine. Oh, I got ribbon to go around my the bags.
Golden ribbon. Oh, and
I think that's it.
While we're at it, hang on a minute.
I'm looking to see if we got everything.
I got the other thing.
I got some toothpaste too. Where's the toothpaste?
Oh. In case you've missed our other videos, we did a video back in probably May or June about 4 kittens that we found in the floorboard of my car. It's been, what, 6 months now? A little over 6 months. Mm-hmm. And this is Haas. Haas stars in his own video, but if you haven't seen those videos, please take a look at our channel and look for those videos, because these guys were about this big, and now look at him. He's gigantic.
Demon monsters.
And then the other one, we have 5 of them in total, and they're the stars of a big bunch of our videos. So
and the Molly, she thinks she's Queen Bee now.
Yeah, she does. And check those videos out, because if you like cats, you want to see some fun, you want to see what living with 5 babies is like all at once, it'll give you an idea. What else we got?
Yeah, that's it for this one.
Hey,
so
that's
you'll
it.
see us in this again.
Yeah, because we're going to probably do something else in this today.
Yeah, we've got a Joanne's.
Yeah, we got
Oh,
Joanne's
you know what?
all.
We could do your Harbor Freight with this one.
Oh, we got a Harbor Freight one too. So,
yeah.
I'm getting ready to test all my cameras, and I've got I've got everything with the tripod mounts on them, and they use Allen wrenches. So I had to go to Harbor Freight because I lost my Allen wrench. So I bought a big bunch of Allen wrenches. Whole big box of Allen wrenches, $6. Pretty cheap. And then while we're standing in line, Julie being Julie, has to fiddle with all kinds of stuff. And she found something that interested her, and she was unscrewing the cap on this and trying to figure out what this was. And that's what this is. So
That's right. Because whenever we have power go out, we never can find a flashlight.
A couple years ago, we were without electricity for the most part for nearly for 2 weeks. There was 1.5 feet of snow, which you think, well, I live in Michigan, that's not a big deal. But we live in Dallas, Texas, and when you have 1.5 feet of snow and no heat in your house and no electricity, it gets rather weird. So we were literally keeping warm by candles, and I started the barbecue pit out in the backyard with potato chips. So we're preparing. We're going to do another haul eventually on survival tactics for those of us in the south.
Excuse me, pig.
In the Southwest that have that don't like inclement weather. But can I have a cookie? I think I will. I'm gonna have a cookie. Anyway, was that all we got? That's all we got in this one. That's Julie.
That's Robert.
Hey, it's our thing. Thanks for showing up and watching it. Please like and subscribe. It helps us out. We love y'all. Thanks.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Okay,